God consciousness, we have been incarnated into this world with unique tasks bestowed upon us by the divine. The journey of embarking on these tasks from initiation to completion often brings forth numerous contemplation and inquiries. However, amidst the myriad of thoughts, we, however, we tend to overlook the fact that our very essence originates from God Himself. In our quest for answers, we search far and wide without realizing that the ultimate source of wisdom resides within us. Until we recognize the divine presence within, we continue to grapple with uncertainty and seek guidance externally. The path to unlocking these answers lies in connecting with the fourth state of consciousness, transcendental consciousness. The transition from ordinary waking consciousness to transcendental consciousness and then onward to cosmic consciousness is a transformative journey that leads to a deeper connection with the divine. This journey allows for communication with the divine and the realization of our tasks and responsibilities in alignment with our purpose. Transcendental consciousness acts as a catalyst for our personal evolution, cleansing our existence and propelling us towards growth and realization. It becomes an ocean of infinite depth, encompassing all conceivable possibilities. As we navigate through this realm, answers effortlessly flow to us, accompanied by a sense of awareness, tranquility, and serenity. It is within this state that we truly recognize life's essence as a state of continuous bliss and gratitude. In this sacred journey, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Guru, His Holiness Maharshi Mahesh Yogi Ji, who has illuminated our path and enabled us to traverse the spiritual landscape with grace and wisdom. There are 7 stages of transcendental meditation. So God consciousness is the one of the state of 7. थैंक्स। जय गुरुदेव।